What if I told you that 3D printing is about to change the world as we know it? In this final chapter of our 3D printing business course, we'll explore the exciting future of this transformative technology and how you can position your business to capitalize on the upcoming trends. So, buckle up, because the future of 3D printing is about to blow your mind. The world of 3D printing is evolving at a breakneck pace, and the innovations on the horizon are truly mind-boggling. From advancements in material science to the integration of artificial intelligence, the future of 3D printing is poised to disrupt entire industries. One of the most exciting developments is the rise of 4D printing, where 3D printed objects can actually change shape and adapt to their environment over time. This opens up a whole new realm of possibilities, from self-assembling structures to adaptive medical implants. Another trend to watch out for is the integration of 3D printing with the Internet of Things (IoT). Imagine a world where your 3D printer can communicate with other devices in your home or business, automatically ordering materials, adjusting settings, and even 3D printing replacement parts on demand. And let's not forget about the advancements in bioprinting, where 3D printing is being used to create living tissue and even entire organs. This revolutionary field has the potential to save countless lives and transform the healthcare industry. But it's not just the technology itself that's evolving. The business models surrounding 3D printing are also shifting. We're seeing the rise of 3D printing marketplaces where users can access a vast library of ready-to-print designs, as well as the emergence of 3D printing as a service platforms, making this technology more accessible to businesses of all sizes. The future of 3D printing is truly exciting, and the opportunities for entrepreneurs and business owners are boundless. If you're ready to ride the wave of this technological revolution, be sure to stick around for our next video, where we'll show you how to set up your very own 3D printing workstation. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the latest 3D printing trends and insights. See you in the next one.